guys, today I'm gonna show the programs and options on LG Direct Drive of my friend's washer, so let's begin. Cottons is for maximum 1000 RPM. This is for look at this. Only 1000 RPM. 30, 40, 60, 95. This is still for anti-craze, intensive, pre-wash, and this one. So the next one is hand wash or Wollens. It's for 40 degrees, only 800. It can't anti-craze, pre-wash no. It cannot pre-wash. This is the beddings, only for 800, 40 degrees only. This is for anti-craze, intensive, pre-wash. It can't have pre-wash, and this one. Red. So the next one is quick wash, 30, 40 degrees, 40 only, 1000 RPM only. This is for anti-craze, intensive. It cannot pre-wash, it can't rinse. So the next one is rinse and spin. This is for this one, anti-craze, intensive, and it can't. So if you don't have, if the LG don't have a spin cycle, you can add this for this one. So this one, LG does have a spin cycle. So the next one is baby care, only for 800. For 95 degrees. Okay, it's only for four options. This is the delicate, only for 40 degrees and 30 and cold. This is the anti-craze, intensive. It cannot pre-wash and it can rinse. This is synthetics. It's for this one. Only for 800, as you can see that. So this is the temperature, only for 60 degrees. So for degrees, intensive, pre-wash, and this one for options. So this is the delay end. So this is the Cottons Quick is for this one. Only for 60 degrees and 1000 RPM. This is for anti-craze, pre-wash, and this one. So guys, now it's all good. This is the child lock. If I can press it, it can enable. It can't because only when I start wash, it enables child lock when I press in. So guys, thanks for watching, bye bye. See you next video. Bye.